Get into the 2019 BMW 325i. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The 3 Series sedan delivers a unique blend of powerful performance, agile handling, and intelligent style. No wonder it's considered a legend among sports sedans. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, keyless entry, remote engine start, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, Wi-Fi hotspot, seat memory, intermittent wipers, universal garage door opener, trip computer. Seize the opportunity to be part of a motorsport legend. Drive the 3 Series sedan.